What'd you get?
How was that different from every other day?
What'd you get? Oh.
I got a carne asada quesadilla with chorizo fried rice from
Los Chinos.
Los Chinos.
Nice. And I got this hot chicken sandwich from I don't know where.
Yeah.
Someplace. Looks spicy.
Los Chinos does specify they specialize in like stoner fries.
No. It's not so. Alright.
420p thing.
I'm gonna eat. I can't put all of this in my mouth.
Rarely did Chef speak that.
This is really good.
So wait, what's in that?
It's like spicy sandwich with a slaw, a fried egg over easy. Oh. The sauce that they use on here is called Fucking Good.
Oh, I love it.
It's really good. It's like spicy and sweet. Okay, so we just ate.
It's actually pretty good. I had a carne asada and a quesadilla. So I told them no salsa verde, no guacamole, avocado cream, but I forgot to mention no cilantro. It's like the worst of them all. So there's cilantro and onions in it.
Cilantro is Joe's nemesis. Like if you want him, like if you were a superhero, that'd be your kryptonite. Just throw cilantro at him and he'll fucking like run shrieking.
Oh, for everyone else in the world, coriander.
Right. Yeah. They have choco pie. Ooh. A variety pack. So we're basically at this place called Cravings, and it's like a, what would you call this? Like a millennial 99 ranch market.
Oh, there you go.
With like a food court. So it has like that food court back there. And they just sell like snacks. Not actual like food, but like look, these are like what is this? Look how big this bag is.
But look, it's like a child version of
it's a Lucky Bag corn snack. It's crazy. It is like, it's like an Asian Captain Crunch. I don't know what these are. Orion Ball. It's some Korean snack. Hockey, everybody knows what that is. Hello Pandas. Oh, green tea Hello Pandas.
Was you looking for like some kind of a vanilla one or something?
They have a cream one, a coconut cream one.
Coconut cream.
Crisp crepes. Coconut cookies. Some Chinese chick. Is that Michelle Yeoh?
Oh, I know.
Green peas. With garlic. Yeah. That's how you know this is Asian, is that it has garlic slices in it. Like white people would be like, oh no. Bird's nest.
Oh, is that dragon's breast stuff?
No, this is the bird's nest soup. So like the swallows, they use their saliva to make nests in these like ocean caves in Thailand or whatever, and these guys climb up on these crazy stilts to like, and they use chopsticks to pick these things off of the cave walls, and then they make it into like this like soup or serum, and then you drink it. It's supposed to be like super healthy for your, like good for your skin or whatever.
Sounds expensive.
Yep. Yeah, it's $22 for like these little jars. I mean, this is probably like some shitty kind too. But so when you go to like fancy Chinese restaurants, they're like, oh, you want shark fin soup? We don't have shark fin soup. You want some bird's nest soup? I'll take that.
It's much better for the environment, not killing off apex predators.
Or yeah, I know. They say like every year 1 million sharks are killed. Are there even that many sharks in the ocean anymore?
No.
I can't. Apple flavored Lay's.
Like a lime, maybe a peach?
Is it a lime?
A peach apple hybrid?
I don't know. A green peach. And then what we also think is cherry blossom? Sakuras? Is that what this is? I know that says flower in Chinese, but I don't know. We're trying it.
I'm like Google translating.
There you go. Joe's Google translating. Okay, so Google Translate says hegemony.
I think I've heard that word. I think it's that kind of word.
Google it.
Oh, that says hegemony? Oh, leadership or dominance, especially by one country or social group over others.
Oh, so this is dictator chips. These are dictator chips. Maybe that's the fruit of the dictator.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
That's funny. Okay, so we're translating this one now. Oligarchy chips.
Take down USA. Milk
Spring
Day
Limited. Oh, okay.
Okay.
We just got some limited ass
Milk
chips.
Spring.
Do we want to try these ones? The black rice flavor? Or...
Keep it inside. We have enough, so we keep it.
Okay, okay. We'll put this onto the side. That's a maybe. Oh my gosh.
Now we're on the hunt for some kind of dessert.
Taro durian.
Oh my god. Shane's gonna love that in the house.
Oh my
Get it,
God.
I think get it.
You think we should get it just to try it?
At least one of them.
Mung bean durian. Okay. I don't know about that. Oh, these are all durian. Black sesame durian. What do you think? Maybe the taro one?
Yeah, what's the most like fruity one?
Yeah, I think that's alright. They're like ice cream sandwiches.
Oh.
Red bean and green tea. Chocolate syrup. Ooh, strawberry syrup.
I'm with strawberry.
Right? And then we should just get one of these and then I think we're cool.
Oh, they're in little like fish.
The little fish things.
Fish pastries.
Yeah. Looks good, huh? You want to try this one?
Let's do it.
Okay, sweet. I think we're done.
Oh, wow. Looks like they're like White Castle too.
Oh. I guess sometimes you just need
Diarrhea?
Yeah, a cleanse.
Yeah.
So when Joe and I went to Taiwan recently, we went to Pride, and then we had dinner with a bunch of guys at this. Remember at that hotel or whatever?
I
that
do.
Buffet?
The buffet.
And then I went to the beverage area and I saw this, and it said mango on it. I'm like, ooh, mango juice, right?
Yeah.
So like, I hate beer. Beer's disgusting to me. So I get this because it says mango on it, not realizing it's fucking beer. And then I go back to my table and I'm like super excited to drink mango juice, and it turns out to be beer.
Oh.
And it was like one of the most disappointing times of my life. Yeah. Okay, so we also got this. That's not Asian, but it's an Angry Orchard Rosé. It should be good, right? All right, we're done. You ever drive behind a car and you see this, and then your mind automatically goes to like Final Destination? Like this truck is gonna brake really hard, and then that thing's gonna like come right through here, and like we're gonna die.
Very reassuring. For
Yeah.
The first thing we do.
Let me take a picture of each of these so people can see. So this is the cherry blossom, right?
Cherry blossom.
This is the cherry blossom milk. It's like
Milk Spring.
milk spring, so it's like special.
Yeah. A limited edition. This is like America's Oreo limited edition.
Like, you know, this is from another country because they had to, like, I don't know if you can see this, but when they have to stick the nutritional value sticker on here, you know this shit was imported. Product of China.
Nice.
Oh.
Oh my god, that smells really good. It smells like
It smells like milky.
yeah, like a Hostess snowball.
Oh. So different.
Ooh.
It's like no salt at all.
It's very sweet.
There's no salt on this at all. It almost... What does it taste like? It's weird. It's very floral,
There you go.
right?
Yeah. I've never tasted cherry blossom before, so this is accurate, I guess.
It's almost kind of coconutty.
Yeah.
This was good.
Yeah, I like it.
I would eat this.
Yeah.
I would buy this. Okay. So next we have... What was this?
So Google Translate translates the title of it to hegemony, which is leadership or supremacy.
I don't know if we're saying that right either. Hegemony?
Hegemony.
I don't know. But again, sticker.
So it looks like a,
It looks like an apple.
oh, but
Or
pear colored, like a
pear.
like a pear plum.
It just smells like chips.
It just smells like chips. Smells like grass.
Mm. I don't know if it tastes like an apple. You know how like it's like a Granny Smith apple, that kind of tang? It's like they put that on a Lay's chip. I guess I like this.
Yeah, I don't hate it.
I wouldn't pick it. It's like an unripened fruit.
Oh.
Kind of. Like that sourness you get when you bite into like a really unripened fruit. Yeah, next. Didn't like that. That one's okay.
You're gonna re-gift that to someone else. Bring that to a birthday party coming up. Next we have what we think are Asian Funyuns.
These are like Korean Funyuns. Yeah, they have like, they look like they're grilled because they're on a grill. I don't know what it says in Korean, but if you are Korean and you know what this says,
I should get up with Brad.
yeah, Brad, if you're watching this,
Brad Yoon.
translate. So this is from Korea. Oh, yeah. We're working in like legit local stuff here. Oh, it smells very oniony.
Oh, yeah.
They're a little smaller than regular Funyuns. And they look a little darker.
Oh.
They're a little more dense.
I like cock rings.
Whoever's using this for a cock ring ain't fucking a lot of people.
You look really good. Oh.
Sorry, you was like, oh, you're doing it too. You're trying to see what finger. These are good.
Yeah, these actually like this better than Funyuns.
Me too. They're sweet. It's caramelized. You know, per the picture. I feel like Americans get shafted in the snack and candy department. Like, we don't get all the cool flavors.
Yeah.
We don't get stuff like this. We just get like I love Funyuns, don't get me wrong, but if I had this, I'd rather eat this.
Yeah, this is much better. I don't like Funyuns, so I like this one better.
You don't? No. Is it the flavor or just like that texture?
You have to like the flavor of it.
These are thumbs up for me.
Yeah, these are
I would definitely eat these. Just to cleanse my palate.
We need like a sorbet between.
Or whiskey.
Oh.
Pick your poison. What do we got next? Oh, these are the salted egg ones. These are really interesting looking.
I was sold on the face alone.
Yeah.
Oh, it's an egg. Oh, that's an egg.
It's an egg.
Oh, I thought it was an egg.
It's like
an angry sun.
It kind of looks like the LOL. Remember the old memes?
Yeah.
With the LOL guy that was like... You know what I mean.
Well, there were some more skills in action. Yeah, that.
You want to see my real skills? DM me at... Okay, so let's try this. It smells like vitamin C. You know when you open a thing of vitamin C? That's what that smells like. So far, smell test does not reveal potential deliciousness. It leaves this like dusty film.
But you just took a bite. From the beginning, was it at least dusty film? From immediate consumption.
I should say,
it left.
There is a dusty film on the chip.
I think it's much better the fact that I instantly ate it and it tastes like it left this dusty film.
It's like eating the moth.
Oh.
It's like eating a moth. That's not good.
Yeah.
Where's this from? Also China. So far China, I mean...
1 for 3?
1 for 3.
Well, no, I think we liked...
well, I liked the hegemony. Hegemony.
And yet she's still eating them.
That's the problem with chips.
We do have 3 other kinds that are way better.
It's like just the texture itself. It's like the... I have this. Alright. These ones.
Baked corn snack.
They're cuttlefish.
Oh.
You know Asians love their cuttlefish. This is from Korea.
I always try to whenever I see dead seafood, equate it to some Little Mermaid character. I don't know what cuttlefish is.
Cuttlefish is like a squid.
Oh, see, there you go.
Alright, we're gonna try this. PETA or something had this billboard, and it was like against like commercial fishing and stuff, and it showed this like lobster, but like it was red. So the whole joke was like, well, PETA doesn't know that like a dead lobster is red. Only a dead lobster or cooked lobster. If it's lobster is red, you should have put like a black one,
yeah.
Like a live one.
Like they're gray.
Yeah, they're like black.
Whoops.
Well, first of all, they kind of look like chicken nuggets. I'm gonna take a picture. They kind of look like popcorn chicken. And it smells kind of barbecuey.
Yeah, I like a barbecue taste.
Kind of barbecuey. They look like dicks.
Oh my god.
Right? It looks like a dick. Oh. I like this.
Wow.
Mm.
It tastes like the sea. Chewing on ocean.
That aftertaste is like seafood.
Just the ocean.
This is so good. This is the thing. This is the kind of stuff that Asian people give their white friends, like, hey, try this. And then their white friends are like, what the fuck is that? It's disgusting. I could eat this all day. Yes, for me.
So it's seafood Cheetos, hot poppy Cheetos.
The texture is almost like Captain Crunch.
Oh yeah, I agree with that.
That consistency.
That you mentioned that squid, because now that I see the shape of it, I was like, oh, that's a squid doesn't look like dick. That's why. It's appropriately shaped.
So far, these are my favorite.
Oh, nothing wrong with it. So now we have
black.
Are these like rice cakes? What is this?
Black rice, like forbidden rice. But these look like those Japanese crackers, you know, where it has like the snow on it. It looks like someone came all over them. It's so funny. So in high school, my friend, he was Japanese, so he used to bring these like for snacks, and we would call them snow crackers. And he was like, "Oh, you're eating someone's cum. That's disgusting." Because you know you're in high school. That's inappropriate.
Or late 30s.
Guys don't grow up.
No.
This is why the oceans are all fucked up, Japan. Oh no, this is from Taiwan. Sorry, that's my people. Okay, so they look like little
taro-looking oatmeal.
Yeah,
iced oatmeal cookies.
It looks, yeah, it's like the color of.
I like the icing part. There's not much to it though. It's very. It's like you have to give like a sick person like saltines. Oh, and then the aftertaste tastes like makeup. It tastes like lipstick. So I've been told.
Clearly, Joe's moonlighting as a rapping, but yeah, it tastes like makeup product smells.
Exactly.
Very faint, kind of like concealer or like foundation smell.
I know all those terms.
I watch a lot of Jeffree Star videos. Okay, this one I'll pass on. I mean, I'll eat it if someone gives it to me and I'm like, I need something to munch on.
Or chew on some lipstick. Chew on lipstick.
It's like crunchy lipstick. Okay, so we got...
Now the best part, now the actual...
The ice cream, right? Alright, so we got some ice cream too.
Did we actually get any of the durian?
Mm-hmm.
We did. So where's that? Let's see it.
That's that one right there?
Oh, so we should do that first or last?
No, that's the pièce de résistance. So this one looked appetizing. This was cute.
So I've seen this in new like ice cream shops now. This like fish is like as your like cone. It has a strawberry syrup layer. I think a frost fraise layer.
Hey. No, that's like some French bullshit. This is from Indonesia though. We're all over the place. Taiwan, China, Korea, Indonesia.
Oh,
is this
big.
shit, or you want to eat a whole one for yourself? He wants a whole one for himself. Why do I even ask? It's ice cream. How cute. Oh, I can already tell. It's like, you know what this is? This is like a sugar cone consistency.
It is. That's right.
So it's a fish. Oops. It's a fish.
Oh, of course, yeah. Of course, goes into the Mexico.
Okay.
I feel like the sugar cone is just a barrier.
I wish the fish would have been like more of like a cake. Like that's what I thought this was, because you know, if you're Asian, you get these. They're like it's like a pancake, right?
Yeah. Or maybe more like waffle cone consistency. I like waffle cones better.
Even if this was thicker, it'd be better. But it's like really thin. So as soon as you bite into it,
Are we still talking about that sugar?
Yeah, because I don't do thin guys. Chubby guys only.
No, I do like the taste of it.
It does taste good.
I don't like the exterior. It's dope.
could always just squeeze it.
That's cream cheese and strawberry.
Oh my god, I would eat that.
Yes.
If you told me a dessert was just cream cheese and jam in a cone, that's tasty. They're so cute. It's so messy. Okay. I mean, I'd eat this, I guess. This is like one of those things where like you go to someone's house and their mom's like, oh my god, you want blah blah blah, and this sounds really cool, but then when she gives it to you, you're like, oh.
But even when I went to the store and got this, I wasn't a big fan either. The dough gets like soggy fast.
Okay. Go with that. Alright.
No.
Now, this is kind of like the finale. So Joe saw this. Joe has an eye for durian. If you don't know what durian is, look it up. It's a really stinky fruit.
Yeah, it's known for like having a very like corpse-like smell to it, but tastes okay.
It's like a delicacy.
Oh.
I guess. Some hotels in Asia won't even let you bring it into the property because it stinks up the whole place. But we're gonna try the ice cream.
Vegetarian? Oh, wait, what?
Oh, that reminds me. So one time, Joe and I went to this place in LA called Cafe Gratitude.
Oh.
Like, it was a pretty well-known place, but I guess we didn't realize that it was a vegan restaurant. So we went. It was kind of not really.
Well, because it has high stars. Like it was a high 4.
High rating.
Yeah. So like we didn't even look at the menu. When we got there, it's all
yeah.
no
When
meat.
we got there, I was like, how come none of these things have meat? So whatever, Cafe Gratitude. And then every time you had to like order something, you had to be like, I am grateful.
Oh, that's right.
I am shining. I am beautiful. It's so LA.
That's what the waiter asks you what you're grateful for.
I'm grateful for you taking my goddamn order and serving me my motherfucking food.
We're petty.
I'm grateful for you going across the street to In-N-Out and getting a double. Alright, let's try this.
I think all the servers have a green tint to them.
It's so nasty, it's like hermetic. That didn't do anything.
Oh my god.
Let's just share one.
Okay.
This has been sealed as well.
Yeah, that's not a good sign.
Oh my
I
god,
don't
it
know.
smells.
I don't want to eat this, to be honest. That sounds... it smells awful.
Ew. It like has a must.
It's like sewage. It smells like
Oh god, it doesn't even look here. Oh my god, I can smell it even more now.
They're like buns. They're like dim sum.
I don't even want to bite into this. I feel like we should cut it.
Okay. And this is like frozen. Can you imagine what it smells like at like room temperature hot?
I'm kind of scared for this.
Oh, it's really thin slice.
Oh god, yeah, that's not a.
Oh, show them how would you cut off a wall?
That's what we're eating.
Oh, do you have a chaser?
I got my whiskey. So we'll chase it with the ice cream.
Well, gross. That is foul.
Fuck, it's in my molars.
You taste that for hours.
That was fucking nasty.
That's gross. Like I see why you say delicacy. Although I feel like it handled like blood pudding or
like if this is how the dessert, it's literally, this is supposed to be like the most appetizing way to serve it. How do people like this?
Yeah, that's a custom. They're poor. That's what was available.
Come on, makeup. Come on, lipstick. Is that this one?
Yeah, it's awesome. The makeup.
Huh. Alright, so is that it?
Yeah.
We're all done. Okay, so I liked the cherry blossom one.
I think I like the Funyuns.
I got the onion.
Okay.
I really like the cuttlefish. That was my favorite.
Oh, yeah.
Joe didn't like that.
And I actually like the ice cream in this ice cream sandwich.
No, the ice cream in the ice cream has hooked up. This?
Oh. Well, we've had it, so now we know.
About to go in the trash. Actually, it is in the trash. Alright, so we're done.
Yeah, I don't feel so bad about them missing that in our Taiwan trip to get it. And I'm not great with missing it.
So, Joe signed us up for this snack thing.
Oh, that's right here.
So we're going to do more of these.
International Yums. We get like 12 snacks every month to try.
I'm so excited. Hopefully it's not durian.
Oh, right. They're
Right.
durian themed.
Watch us like the whole box. Here's all your durian
No.
snacks. I'm like, oh, well, let me donate this to like the food bank.
Oh, and cancel my subscription.
Fool me once, yummy box. Alright, if you like this, let us know. If you want to see us try other things, let us know too.
Some suggestions, yeah, I like that.
Yeah. What else can we shove in our mouth for you?
For the first 10, like, dick comments.
You guys are all nasty. Alright. Thank you for watching. Bye.